Does this kind of explain why I cannot get a hotel in this town? I am your football team. And the square and the spare equipment in the bathroom. I drove these people nuts. I'm also a NASCAR team and the spare parts. You don't want to stay next door to me. They will let me stay in any hotel here in town. I've been kicked out of the Hyatt. I don't know how many Hyatt. I don't know how many times. The Adams bark. I mean, Mark. Adam, Mark. No, just kidding. I'm just kidding. I got to stay in this place in Middleburg.
Yeah, French fried taters. Mm-hmm.
They're gonna have these from Veddles.
Can I sign the will first? No, just kidding. No, they got me staying in this place. Oh, yeah. The Comfort Inn. That's the place. Some of y'all laughing. You know what this is, don't you? It's not far from the budget smell. The dead roof. The Motel 7.5. That's a Motel 6 with a paint job. You dig what I'm saying? And the stuperate. So I'm sitting in my room, right? I'm trying to keep up with the news, you know? I just want to kick on a little nightline. I just want to relax, right? And I'm like... Cool. Yo, man, how come Ted Koppel looks like Alfred E. Newman from Mad Magazine sometime at a different angle? I swear to God, this happens to me. I'm in the room, and also next door.
I'm gonna kill you, you don't shut up.
That's exactly what it sounds like, doesn't it? You don't want to hear this, man, but when you have to...
You kick me in the nuts again, I'm gonna kill you. Get that pig out of here.
Hey, yo! Hey! Come on, guys, give me a break, please.
Not you, piss off.
Springer guest. Bigger problem on this side. College kids. College kids. All 78 of them. Next to me. And the worst part is they got a subwoofer. Oh, yeah, you laugh. That shit ain't funny. When you're the person that has to listen to this, it's not funny. Playing DMX at night. And that stupid, I don't even know what the hell the song goes. Every little thing that we do it just to piss off you.
Yeah. Yeah, what's up, man? Hey, what's up, man? What's going on, man? Yeah, every time I stop talking, man. All right, there's enough of this. Shut up, man.
But the next one, they got the subwoofer. They turn this thing on and... Can't hide in the bathroom.
Stupid song.
Planet Soul sucks. I hate that song. It's stupid.
And don't you touch my planet.
What the hell is she talking about? I can't even hear the lyrics. I mean, you turn on pop music today, man. You hear like, she's like,
Don't you touch my salad bowl. Give me cheese. I want some cheese. I want some cheese.
go to the store. I hate that song. Now I gotta put up with these people, man. There's only one thing worse than that.
Oh, spank daddy. Oh, spank daddy.
Pikachu.
All right, that's enough. Hey! Hey! I want some! Damn it! Damn! You leave that Jigglypuff alone!
What you laughing at, you big dummy?
I can't understand these people. Must be a phaser. They're gonna pay for this. Because I went out for an hour and I shopped at Walmart. Excuse me, Walmart. I went to Big K Fart. I went to Walmart. I went to Small Greens. I went to Bosco's. I went everywhere and I found the remote control from hell. You're gonna love this thing. Check this out. All you gotta do is push the button, man. I just bought it just to do this shit all the time.
Cut it out, asshole. Congratulations for purchasing remote control from hell. You have chosen power setting optional. What do you wish to plug into?
Sears Die Hard.
Congratulations, you are now in control of all TVs for 9 miles.
Yeah, baby! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Yeah! Woo! It's gonna be great.
5.1 surround sound Dolby.
I'm an albatross.